In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Calendar Update, how to view full-screen task lists. This update makes it much easier to focus on your to-dos without being cramped in the tiny side panel. If you've ever wished for a cleaner place to manage everything you need to get done, you'll love this. Start on your desktop by opening calendar.google.com in your browser. On the right-hand side, look for the blue checkmark icon for Google Tasks. Click it to open the familiar side panel. At the top of that panel, you'll see the Open in Full Screen button, shown as a small diagonal arrow or expand icon. Click it, and your tasks will jump into a full-page view. In this layout, you can clearly see all your task lists, due dates, and completed items, and you'll find options to sort and organize. It's the same tasks you know, just far easier to read and manage when you're planning your day or week. There's also a direct route. Head to tasks.google.com, and it opens the full Task Manager instantly. This is perfect if you want to live in tasks for a while without the calendar around it. If you prefer to see your tasks right on your calendar grid, make sure they're turned on. On the left side, under My Calendars, find Tasks and check the box. Any task with a due date will now appear on your calendar, so you can visually line it up with your events and avoid overbooking yourself. Once you're in full screen, take a minute to organize. You can create multiple task lists to separate work, personal, or projects. Drag tasks up or down to reorder them so the most important items stay at the top. Add subtasks to break big work into smaller, doable actions, set due dates to keep deadlines visible, and click to mark things complete when you're done. A couple of quick notes. The full screen experience is available on desktop browsers. The mobile app still shows tasks, but not in full page mode. And everything syncs automatically across devices, so changes you make in one place will appear everywhere. One last productivity tip to keep things simple. Use your calendar for scheduled events that have a specific time. Use tasks for what you need to do. Only put a task on the calendar when it truly needs a time slot. This keeps your schedule realistic and your task list focused. Enjoy the cleaner view, and happy planning.